Alright guys, I'm actually on a walk to a Popeyes right now, but I have a few minutes to show y'all these two codes. So I will show you these two promo codes you can put in a Subway Surfers. So the first one is gonna be, make sure the S is uppercase. First is gonna be Subway 2019, and then you pick keys. I already used this code already, so it's gonna say code has been used, but you guys can use it if you guys play Subway Surfers out there. And then there's this one. This one gives you 9,999 coins. It's Subway 2019 Vince. Eric. Is that VENICE? Okay. So now we're gonna go back here and put SU Subway 2019 VENICE. And this code gives you, that code gives you 9,999 coins. Thanks for watching this video. I know it has been long, but trust and believe, as soon as I get home, I'm going to be making some more videos for YouTube. So as soon as I get home, I'm going to be making some long videos. This one was just to show y'all two codes that I know on Subway Surfers. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out. Thanks for watching. Bye.